Exposing screens is maybe the most important part of the job. If screens aren't properly exposed, nothing past that will work out. Today, we'll be using the BASELAYR X Series exposure unit. It's a compression unit that comes with the 250 kit. Compression units use weight or compression to create positive contact between the film, the light, and the screen. The next step up is a vacuum unit. Vacuum units use suction to create this positive contact. Vacuum units create better detail resolution because they are the best at eliminating the space between the film, light, and emulsion. Vacuum units are great for printers looking for upgraded performance or enhancements. We exposed our screens for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You can change the timer on the X Series by going up and down on these buttons, and the exposure will automatically stop when the timer is finished. After exposing, you'll wash out the image and let the screen dry just like you normally would. A washout booth is essential for rinsing out screens. Filtration helps to keep gunk out of your pipes, and the backlight will help you see the image you're washing out or reclaiming. For this project, we're going to post-expose a smoothing screen that we're going to use while printing. Post-exposure means exposing the screen well past the initial exposure time. Once the screen is exposed, rinsed out, and dry, expose it again for at least double the original exposure time. A post-exposed screen will hold up much longer. It is also good to post-expose a screen that will be used over and over again, like a popular brand design or logo. Post-exposure is best used for cataloging prints, water-based ink runs, or high-volume runs of 10,000 shirts plus. If you aren't doing those kinds of runs, post-exposure won't be necessary. Dry screens in a drying rack or cabinet. Like we mentioned in the last lesson, keep track of humidity and airflow in the drying cabinet and darkroom. Leaving screens to dry overnight is best for screen racks and fan setups. Once screens are dry, it's time to set up the press. Thanks for watching, screen printers. If you found this video helpful, you won't want to miss our comprehensive online course, How to Screen Print with a Kit 250 Edition, available exclusively on screenprinting.com. Watch today for free and take your skills to the next level.